Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and yet another video. You're welcome guys, and thanks for time. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you know, I'm Berry, your girl, and thanks for tuning in. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you this quick and effective cold syrup that you can make if you're feeling congested and feeling cold. You know, this is the winter period. It's so cold outside guys, so this one is very quick and easy to make, and it's going to kick out cold. I mean, immediately off your chest. You're gonna feel better. One of the ingredients we're going to be using, we're going to be needing our ginger, we're going to be needing our onion, and we're going to be needing some honey. You know, ginger has medicinal properties that may reduce inflammation and antibacterial that may also protect you against cold virus, as well as onions. They have so many antibacterial properties in them and anti-inflammatory properties in them, guys. This is very good and powerful, as well as honey. Honey equally helps, you know, to suppress the cold and cough, everything that comes with it, guys. So guys, if you stay tuned and watch and see how I'm going to use these ingredients to make the syrup. So guys, I'm going to peel off my ginger roots. The ginger is already clean, guys, so I'm going to clean this up, peel it. Then I'm going to cut my onions, the quantity that I will need. I'm going to add some onion. So here are them, guys. I'm going to wash them up. So I'm done washing them, guys. So I'm just going to grate my ginger using my hand grater. You know. Yes, guys. I just want to show you guys I'm making just a little batch. So with that, I'm just going to first of all squeeze out the juice from our ginger. Make sure you get enough juice, guys, as much as possible. So you squeeze that very well. Kind of squeeze this. Okay. As you can see, this is the juice I got from it. Then next, I'm going to do the same with my onions. So I'm going to grate this as well. Okay, guys. So I'm going to equally squeeze out the juice from this one, from the onions. Bring this here. So I'm going to squeeze that out. Okay, as you can see, this is our ginger and onion juice that I've extracted, guys. So now I'm going to add in our honey. Oh no. So guys, our honey just decided to pour by itself. So I think this is estimated to be 2 teaspoons of honey. So I'm going to mix that up. I'm going to mix it up. Look at the syrup, guys. Going to mix that up well. Maybe I'll just have to add a bit of honey to it. Okay. Guys, this is what it looks like. So guys, after coming up at this point, I'm going to add in some little black pepper into our syrup. Okay. So I've just added our black pepper into the syrup, and then I'm going to mix that well. Mix that well, mix and mix and mix. And then if you like, you can equally add some drops of lemon. I think this is fine. And this is good. You can keep this in a cold place for 3 days and take a tablespoon before you go to bed, either in the morning and one in the evening before you go to bed. And guys, kick that off from your chest and be free again. Thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.